Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beer pong table. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you build a durable and fun table. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a sheet of plywood, some 2x4 lumber, and a set of sturdy hinges. Don't forget your measuring tape, a reliable saw, and a drill to get started on this exciting project. Now that you have your materials, it's time to start cutting. Begin by cutting your plywood to the standard dimensions of 8 feet long by 2 feet wide. Next, cut your 2x4 lumber to create a robust frame that will support the playing surface. Carefully assemble these frame pieces, ensuring they are perfectly aligned. Use strong wood screws to securely attach everything together, creating a solid foundation for your table. With the frame assembled, let's add the legs for portability. You'll need 4 foldable legs, which you'll attach to the underside of your table. Make sure to use strong, reliable hinges that allow the legs to fold smoothly. This design makes your table incredibly easy to store when not in use and simple to transport to any gathering. Double-check that the legs lock securely in both the open and closed positions for safety. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and personalization. Apply a high-quality waterproof sealant to the entire surface of your table. This crucial step will protect it from spills and ensure its longevity. Now, unleash your creativity. Paint or decorate your table with any design you like, making it truly unique. Remember to allow ample drying time, at least 24 hours, before its first exciting use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.